Okay, so your wish is your command, the no glitch video. So here's the cutout. So this piece where Brett and I cut a piece of the door out was hitting the frame right there. So I was going to move this back, the rail, but I had issues with that. So I decided just to make an ugly cut. Okay, it's ugly. All right, folks. You know, but it solves the no glitch issue. So the glitch was only happening on the way down. Let's check it out. Smooth. Smooth. Look at that bottom seal. There's the slanted pavement. Again, that lower bottom's 18 inches on the right, 21 on the left. Up. Listen how quiet it is. No glitch. Down. No glitch. Now we'll keep an eye on that corner this time to show you how close it was. See that? See that? Right there. You see that little cutout? That solved the glitch. Bitch. There we go, folks. Yes, your wish is your command.